How am I supposed to feel when everything surrounding me is nothing but a fake disguise? I don't know where I belong. It's time for me to carry on. I'll say goodbye.
And knowing our history, blurt out that you love me?
So, tell me where I went wrong. I'm stuck inside a dream long gone. It's hard to reveal the truth. Your love leaves nothing but a bitter taste. It's better if I walk away, away from you.
Why does everybody lie? You know, the bad guys lie to get in your bed, and the good guys lie to get in your heart. And I'm the idiot that falls for it every time.
Well, you're not an idiot. Not even close.